Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta Data Exchange. Look at the last 2 months. April month was very dramatic month. Nifty fell more than 2000 point and then shot up more than 2000 point. And May series also equally dramatic. Just in one trading session, Nifty shot up nearly 1000 point. That was on May 12th. Then after that, it has been a consolidation market, and the consolidation was very violent. The Bank Nifty has been consolidating between 55,000 and 56,000, but almost everyday basis, a Nifty, Bank Nifty hitting close to 56,000, again falling back to close to 55,000. This like even in one day also it was having. But for the last 15 trading sessions, I think, if I'm not wrong, Bank Nifty has been trading between 55,000 and 56,000. And because of this, people were expecting some kind of a breakout or breakdown towards the end of the expiry. That's why the volatility index was so high 2 to 3 days before expiry. But nothing has happened, so everything has gone to zero. So similarly, in the Nifty also, and I've been saying for the last 15 trading sessions that Nifty ranges 24,500 on the downside and 25,200 on the upside. And that is where it was trading, but it was trading with a huge volatility. 2 times Nifty broke 24,500 on the downside. But both times the recovery was more powerful and moved more than 500 points within next 24 hours. Okay, now the May series ended, so June series started. So June series, we have only 4 weeks and time can fly very fast and there are no public holidays. So we have full 20 trading sessions. Looking at the open interest, the bulls and bears are equally divided, but the huge calls are written at 26,000 call option. So that shows that 26,000 is going to be a stiff resistance. And the people have written 24,000 put, 26,000 call, 24,500 put, 25,500 call, and also 25,000 short straddle. So which means that 25,000 looks like an equilibrium point from where the Nifty maximum expected to move 4%. And this is based on some scientific formula, India VIX divided by square root of 12. So that works out to be around 4%, I think. So that is a maximum Nifty can move. But by looking at the way markets are behaving, for the last 3 trading sessions, FIAs are also pumping in money, DAs also pumping in money, but market keeps falling. Yesterday, as of 2:50 p.m., the market was down. And I always say if it is a uptrend market, market should bottom out at third day's low. So Tuesday also market fell, Wednesday also market fell. So yesterday Thursday, so Thursday's low. Thursday's low, was it a spot around 24,700 or 650? I think around 24,650. So then from there was a dramatic recovery end of the day. So therefore, for the short term, that yesterday's low is the support. And otherwise, I've been saying that 24,500 is a support. So the first support is 24,650, second support is 24,500. Resistance, however, the recent high was 25,100, but I've been saying that it is 25,200. So then upside now the potential can be high if there is any breakout. And remember, today is a Friday. Remember, today is a first trading session. And remember, GIFT Nifty is opening flat. So, these are the 3 conditions many times markets were in a trending. So Friday morning, first trading session, and if the markets open flat, market can be trending. That trending can be either on the upside also or downside, that we do not know. So that we have to wait for the market to react. But most likely it is to be on the higher side. So that's because the market has been falling despite huge support by the institutions. So there must be shorts. So yesterday also, I think it is probably the short sellers who brought the market down in the morning, and by around 2:45, 2:50 p.m., option premiums have collapsed. So probably they would have squared up their positions. They let the market to go up. Otherwise, why HDFC Bank moved 30 rupees and ICICI Bank moved 20 rupees in last half an hour? So definitely it is done by some manipulators. So overall, the structure is bullish and still not bearish. Nifty is likely to trade between 24,000 and 26,000 in the coming month and maintain a bullish view. Today, I will not be surprised if there is any a trending. In the past, if you look at the first trading session chart, many times markets trended when markets opened flat. So you have to be very, very careful for the first 45 minutes. And so I always, tell people, do not sell options in the first 45 minutes on the first trading session. So when it comes to US markets, yesterday around this time we were so bullish because the US court stopped this Trump tariff, but Trump administration has appealed it, so now they've put it on hold. And also the people say, even if the court comes out with the ruling, there are ways and means by which Trump can go ahead with the tariff. So that positive news has been taken out. So otherwise, we would have been more or less sure that the market will be trending today. So this bad news, is raising the doubt whether there will be a trending. So anyway, watch for technical levels and accordingly take positions. And even 24,000 put trading around more than 100 rupees and 26,000 call option trading around more than 75 rupees. So they are very juicy premiums, I can say. So after a long time, last month was an excellent month for option writers. Hope that continues in the month of June. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.